In this video, I will be showing you how to get a Ken burn effect using Adobe Premiere Pro. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to watch my videos every week. Alright, after you have entered Premiere Pro, make sure to move your playhead to the beginning of your sequence. And now double click on your image and head over to your effects controls panel. Under effects controls, you will find for your motion, and next to your motion click on that drop down arrow, and you will find for scale and position. That is what you need to make the adjustments to have the Ken burn effect. But before you make this adjustment, make sure to move your playhead to the beginning of your sequence. And now make sure to toggle up your watches to create the sequence to have the Ken burn effect. And over here you can see a small sequence has been created. You can either zoom in and see, and now move your playhead to the end of where you want to have the Ken burn effect. And over here now you can drag and make the adjustment till where you want to have the Ken burn effect. And now if you play back your video from the beginning, and there you go, that's your Ken burn effect for this video. If you benefited, make sure to leave a like on this video, and I'll see you in the next video.